Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see assignment task which was given by my mentor. So we'll see, we'll in previous video what we have done, it's based upon that only. So we are going to solve this assignment now. So yeah, uh, what it's saying, first we have to open an incident table. Okay, so we'll go to PDI. This will cancel this. We have to open incident dot list. So when you click on incident dot list, you will be able to see an incident table. Enter. So this is an incident table. So after opening incident table, okay, personalize the list with number, caller, priority, and impact and urgency. Okay, personalize means you have to go here. This is a gear icon. You have to click on here. Okay, first of all, remove everything and send back to here. Okay, what they are asking, number, caller, priority. Okay, we have to see where is number. Okay, number. Oh my god, reset. Okay, we should select one by one, I guess. Number, caller, priority, number, caller, priority, impact and urgency. Okay, impact. A B C D E F G H I. Where is H I? Impact. Okay, impact and urgency. You should be okay. It's mixed up. Okay, these are 4 columns they are asking, right? Yeah. Okay, so click on OK. So yeah, you are able to see 1 2 3 4 5 number, caller, priority, impact and urgency. This is the second point. It's done. Apply filter using condition builder. Condition builder means this one. Okay, this filter icon to see only incidents with critical priority. Okay, so choose field. What we have to choose? Field priority. Click priority. Is condition, is operator critical, and run. So how many records you're able to see? 27 records. Okay, we'll write here 27 records we are able to see. Okay, save the above filter and create favorite filter. Save the above filter. Save the above filter means click filter, save. What shall we give the name as? Assignment 1. Assignment 1 filter. Everyone save. Okay, so you can see the save filter here. Filters. You can see assignment 1. Yeah, check mark is there. Okay, assignment, save the above filter and create favorite filter, and you have to create a favorite also. So create favorite, you have to go here, click assignment 1. You can give any icon over here. We'll give this one, we'll give red. Okay, done. So you can go here, refresh home page. The favorites will be here. Whatever you are selecting as a favorite, you can see in a home page. Here, if you click here, it's loading. Assignment 1. When you click directly here, you will be going to the same page which you guys are doing now, which I am doing. Sorry. Okay, so let's go back here. We have saved the we have saved the filter. We did favorite also, this filter. Okay, after doing this, so we have to create a view with a name demo view. Okay, when you're creating a view, you have to go here, any of the column, you have to go configure, and we have to go list layout. When you go to list layout, there is a view name here, list view. Okay, so here the view should contain number, color, short description. The view should contain number, should be there. Open, it should not be there. Short description should be there. Color should be above. Okay, number, color, short description, and priority columns only. Priority, we don't need state, columns only. Okay, we don't need state, category, assignment group, assigned to, updated by. Remove this. Okay, we need only number, color, short description, and priority columns only. Okay, so view name should be, oh, they have given create a view with a name demo view. Okay, demo view. Okay, view name should be demo view. Click on add. Okay, no, create a view with the name demo view. Guys, here you have to go here, view name, click on, you should click new. Okay, so here you have to give view name demo view and click on OK. So these are the selected columns will be under demo view. Okay, so save, click on save, come here. Okay, click here, go view, click on demo view. So you can see number, color, short description, priority. These are the questions they have asked. These are the columns they have asked. Number, color, short description, priority columns only. Okay, this is done. And second one is apply filter using condition builder to see only incidents with color is Fred Ludi. Okay. You have to remove this one. There was a filter over there. So here is asking caller who calls. Caller is, what is name? Fred Ludi. Fred Fred Ludi. Yeah. And run this. Run. Only incidents with caller is Fred Ludi. Okay, only 10 records is available. This is done. Use the demo view and above filter at a time and create favorite. Okay, above filter is been already here. Okay, here we have to go for, and we have to click on demo view. Demo view is already also is there. It is applied, and above filter at a time and create favorite. Okay, now we have to create favorite. Create favorite. So assignment 1 filter, sorry, incident table. Let's give incident inc is enough. Incident table, give something or this, we'll give this one, and is done. This is the assignment, guys, which my trainer had given today. Okay, we have to load the page. Assignment assignment 1 we have created a previous one in previous video. So here you have to see assignment assignment dash incident inc table. This is what we created, guys. 10 records is we are going to see. 10 records. 10 records. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. This is all about assignment. You guys practice once and let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and my Instagram channel also. I'll be keep posting it. Thank you. Bye bye.